Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money from ClickBank. ClickBank is a vast online marketplace connecting product creators with affiliate marketers globally. As an affiliate, you earn commissions by promoting digital products to potential customers. This platform offers thousands of products across more than 20 categories, providing numerous opportunities to find profitable niches. Understanding its structure is the first step to building a successful income stream. To maximize your earnings, selecting the right products is crucial. Look for offers with a high gravity score, which signifies that many affiliates are successfully making sales. Aim for products offering an average commission per sale of at least $20. Additionally, ensure the product provides excellent sales pages, marketing tools, and reliable customer support. Thorough research here can significantly impact your overall success. Once you have chosen a product, effective promotion is key. You can create valuable content like blog posts or videos to attract an audience interested in your niche. Leverage social media platforms to share your content and reach potential customers organically. For quicker results, consider investing in paid advertising campaigns. Remember to always disclose your affiliate relationship clearly and honestly to build trust with your audience. To grow your ClickBank income, consistent optimization is essential. Regularly track your sales, traffic sources, and conversion rates to understand what is working best. Experiment with different product offers and promotional strategies to find your most effective approach. Reinvesting a portion of your profits back into your marketing efforts, such as paid ads or content creation, can help you scale significantly. Stay informed about market trends to maintain a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.